guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Shubhaman Baker, and in today's video we are going to learn a new strategy which is very simple to use, very easy to follow, and you don't need any information to trade this. This is completely opposite of ICT. There is nothing ICT concepts in this, no ICT concepts, because as a beginner traders it is very difficult for you guys to understand ICT and start implementing it. It's difficult because ICT concepts take a lot of time, and if you are struggling with ICT concepts, I want you guys to learn this strategy and start applying it from Monday and see the results for yourself, make money for yourself, see the results for yourself. Your mind is going to be blown with this strategy because this is very simple to use, and this strategy involves a particular time frame, a particular time to execute, and a particular time frame to trade on, right? Everything is given. You just have to come to the markets and press the order buttons. That's it. So let's not delay the process and let's go to the charts. Okay, so as you guys can see, so the first rule of this strategy is, what is the rule? The rule is we execute our trades only after 9:30 a.m. EST. So this is the rule. The rule is we come to charts, we open our charts at 9:30 a.m. EST. We open our charts at 9:30 a.m. EST. Okay, so this is the first thing. Second, we use 5-minute time frame chart. Now that you know this, I don't want you guys to start doing follow the rules. Don't start applying the strategy here and there, up and down. Don't do this. Follow the rules. Okay, the rules is we execute our trades only after 9:30 a.m. We use 5 minutes time frame charts. So as a beginner, we all know when to trade. We all are asking everyone when is the right time to trade, right? Which is the right time frame to follow? We all have these questions and we don't know, and no one can give you the right answer, but I'm giving you the only answer. The only thing you have to follow is we have to execute our trades after 9:30 a.m. and we are going to use 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so the next point is, let's do this 1 minute. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the third thing is, if first 5-minute candle is bullish, we wait for the high of that bullish candle to be broken to enter a buy order. Understand this? And same goes to vice versa, right? Same goes for sells, right? If the 5-minute candle is bearish, we wait for the low of that bearish candle, to be broken for us to enter sell orders. That's it. So the first rule is we execute our trades only after 9:30 a.m. EST. We use 5-minute time frame chart. The third is, if the first 5-minute candle is bullish, right, after 9:30 a.m. this candle is bullish, we wait for the high of this candle to be broken. The high is over here, right? Then did the next candle break the high? No. Then after 9:30 there is a bearish candle. Then we wait for the low of this bearish candle to be broken, right? Simple, right? If we have a bullish candle, we wait for the high of the bullish candle to be broken so that we enter our buy orders and start and get in the buy trade. Okay, but if the buy orders didn't get triggered and we have a bearish candle, we wait for the lows of the bearish candle to be broken and enter the trade. Our lows are broken over here and we entered our trade over here, right? This was our entry and market went down. Now we know how to enter, but what are our targets? Our targets are fifth. Our targets will be 1:2 As soon as we hit 1 is to 2, as soon as we hit 1 is to 2, you have two options. Two options is you close the trade or you put a stop loss to break even. Okay, you close your trades, you put your stop loss to break even, and let the target be higher, like 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, or you can close your trade at 1 is to 2. Standard, as a beginner traders, I want you guys to take 1 is to 2 targets only. For first initial trades, you guys have to take 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2 targets. That's it. Until and unless your target is 1 is to 2, you are not moving your stop loss. Your stop loss stays there. Once your target moves to 1 is to 2, you have an option. You can take a stop loss to break even and let the trade continue going up or down. Okay, or else you can close your trade and you are done for the day. This is a strategy, right? Your target is 1 is to 2. So now this was the first bullish candle. If the high of this bullish candle was broken, we were into buy entries. But unfortunately, the highs were not broken. Then we have a bearish candle. Now, once the bearish candle, the low of the bearish candle was broken, we enter over here. Our stop loss goes to the high of this bearish candle, and our target is 1 is to 2. That's it. This is what you have to do every single day after 9:30 a.m. So now, what is the logic? What is the and one more thing, where does the stop loss go? The stop loss go, SL is above the bearish candle and below the bullish candle you entered. Below the bullish candle. Okay, below the bullish candle, right? So if this is the bearish candle and after the low of this bearish candle was broken, your stop loss goes on the high of that bearish candle. That's it. That's it. And you're targeting 1 is to 2. As soon as 1 is to 2, what you can do, you can take stops to break even. You can take some money out of over here and let the trade run. You can do anything you want. But your initial target should be 1 is to 2. That's it. And you don't have to do anything else in the markets. Right? You don't have to do anything else in the markets. So what's the logic behind this strategy? The logic is at 9:30 a.m. EST. At 9:30 a.m. EST, New York Stock Exchange is opened. At 9:30 a.m. EST, New York Stock Exchange gets opened, and with New York Stock Exchange getting opened, there is lot of volatility, lot of liquidity that is coming into the markets. And once a lot of liquidity and volatility is coming into the markets, many orders are coming into markets, market tends to move in a particular direction. And our job as a trader, by following this strategy, is to capture the trend, capture that short movement which market is going to give in this small amount of time. That's it. We do that and we close our trades. Okay, so now let's come to the psychology part. Because this strategy is not related to ICT or no ICT concepts is involved in this, I don't want you guys to think this strategy doesn't work. Okay, if you guys know Wix Don't Lie, Wix Don't Lie is not using ICT concepts, but in August he has made $500,000 live money. He doesn't follow ICT, he just follows simple breakout structures and candlestick pattern. That is the simple stuff, and still he manages to make $500,000. $500,000 in August itself, right? So please, as a beginner, I want you guys to forget all the ICT concepts. Forget, because see, it is difficult for you guys. Okay, if you will see a breaker over here in your like retest and sell, you might not be able to understand ICT concepts now, but till then you follow the strategy and start making money. Okay, start making money at 9:30 a.m. EST. After stock market is opened, the volatility kicks in, and that is our job, to capture the volatility. That's it. Now let's go on the day. Okay, let's go and let's see what has happened. And one more rule, the most important rule, the rule is, this is what will keep you alive with the strategy. 2 SL a day. If you have 2 stop losses, close your trading. Just done for the day. You're not taking more than 2 stop losses in a particular day. That's it. Follow the strategy and you will see wonders. Okay, so at 9:30 a.m. over here, 9:30 a.m. we have a bearish candle. 9:30 a.m. we have a bearish candle, and low of this bearish candle is broken. But as soon as you see the low of the bearish candle is broken, market did not go 1 is to 2, and our stops were here. Market broke the stops. Market broke the stop. Market took out and stopped us out. But after that, what you guys can see a bullish candle. You can see a bullish candle, and as soon as the high of that bullish candle was broken, high of that bullish candle was broken, you had your buy entries, and your buy entries gave you almost 1:2. Your buy entries gave you 1:2. Your buy entries give you 1:2. So first trade was a stop loss, second trade was 1:2, and if you had took your stop loss to break even, okay, took your SL, this was a trade, okay, 1:2 over here, took your stop loss to break even and let the trade run for around 1:3, 1:4, you would have made more money. First trade was a stop loss, second trade was a profitable trade. Now let's go to the another day. Let's go another day. I will do this for 1 week. Okay, this is 9:30 a.m. candle, and 9:30 candle is bearish. 9:30 candle is bearish. As soon as the low of that candle is broken, you sell. Once we sell, market goes up and stops us out. And as soon as it stops us out, we have a bullish candle. And high of that bullish candle is broken, market goes up and stops us out. You're done for the day. You're done for the day. I will give you guys pro tip. What if you have 2 stop losses? What to do when you have 2 stop losses at the end of the video. Till then, if you are still watching this video, keep watching it. I will give you the pro tip what to do when you have 2 losses. I will mark this day. Okay, I'll mark this day. So let's go another day. Over here we have 9:30 a.m. candle that is bullish. As soon as the high of the bullish candle is broken, we buy. Right? We buy. See, now how simple is it to execute? Do you guys have to think? Do you guys have to make anything complicated? Nothing. Do you guys have to look for SMT? Do you guys have to look for breakers? Do you guys have to look for mitigations? Fair value gaps? Nothing. You are just entering and holding your targets for 1:2. If market gives you 1:2, you take it. If it doesn't give you 1:2, you put. That's it. It's okay. See, 1:2 and market has gone to 1:6. Right? I'm not expecting you guys to catch 1:6. Initially, 1:2 is more than enough. That's it. First trade was profitable trade. You don't have to look for the second trade. That's it. You guys don't have to look for the second trade. Now let's do it for one more last day. 22nd, 23rd, 22nd. 22nd, 9:30 a.m. 9:30 a.m. is a bearish candle. You guys can see 9:30 a.m. is a bearish candle. As soon as the low of the bearish candle is broken, you are selling it. That's it. Market has gone to 1:11. We're not expecting 1:11. We want this much. That's it. That's it. 1:2. 1:2 in how much minutes? 10 minutes. 1:2. That's it. And so in 1 week we have 1 profitable trade, 2 profitable day, third one was a loss making day, fourth one was a profitable day, fifth one was a profitable day. So in 1 week we have 5 profitable trades, and this is with 1 pair. Now imagine you do this on GBP USD, you do this on NAS, you do this on US 30, you do this on US 500, you do this on index pairs. Index trades work wonderful. You know why? Because as soon as the stock market is opened, index is what moves very quickly, right? See, this is 9:30. We have a bullish candle. High of the bullish candle is broken. We buy. We get stopped out. Low of the bearish candle is broken. We sell. We get 1:2 at 9:30. Over here at 9:30, bearish candle. Low of the bearish candle is broken. We lose. High of the bullish candle is broken. We lose. We have a stop loss day. We have a 2 stop loss day. Now the third over here. Low of the bearish candle is broken, low of this bearish candle is broken, and we lose. High of this bullish candle is broken and market goes up. Let me do this. High of the bullish. So this was first trade was a loss, second trade was a profit. 1:2 something. Give us 1:2, right? Simple. We are not fighting with the market. We are taking whatever market is giving us. High of the bullish candle is broken, low of the bearish candle is broken. This is a two loss. Like high of this broken and we lose, low of this candle is broken, we don't have 1:2 and we lose. We have 2 stop losses. That's okay. That is okay, right? Because when we mix it, low of this bearish candle is broken, market has gone down. Market has gone down. Last one candle. Okay, this is a bearish candle. 9:30 candle is bearish. Once the low of the bearish candle is broken, market has gone down. So how much percent it has given? How much percentage it has given? It has given us around 1:3. 1:3. Simple. So I want you guys to understand this strategy is very simple to execute, but discipline is required. If you guys are still watching this video, now I will share what to do when you have 2 stop losses. Okay, once you have 2 stop losses, you go to 15 minutes chart. Now this is a bearish candle. 9:30 a.m. candle is bearish, low bearish and bearish. then we have a bullish candle. Once the high of this bullish candle is broken, we buy. Simple. Once you have two stop losses, you give yourself one more chance. One more chance. That is, high of the bullish candle is broken, you buy. One more chance, you go to higher time frame. That's it. We lost our money on NAS, right? We had two continuous losing days. Let's go on 15-minute chart for that. We had a losing day over here, 930. 930 is a bearish candle. Then we have a bullish candle. We buy at a bullish candle high. Okay, 930 is a bullish candle. Buy and market goes up. Over here, 930 is a bearish candle. Then we have a bullish candle. This is a big bullish candle, so we leave the trade. We're not trading it. Then we have a bearish candle, market has gone down, down, down. So what the thing is, if you have two stop losses, go to the higher time frame. That's it. So this strategy is very simple to use. Very, very simple to use, guys. I want you guys to follow the strategy and execute from Monday. Okay, execute from Monday, but with discipline. If you get stopped out, get stopped out. Because see, when you're making money, sometimes you're making more than 1:2. So those profits are compensating your loss days. Okay, it's not that every day you're going to make losses, every day you're going to make profits. But when you make profits, you're making big profits. So please follow this strategy and hope this strategy helps you guys backtest it for yourself. So like let's say one more thing. Say one more thing that you got stopped out. You got stopped out on 24th August twice on Euro USD. Let's go on JBP USD and see on 24th August what has happened. On 24th August, this is 930 candle. 930 candle low is not broken. We have a bullish candle. High of the bullish candle is broken. High of the bullish candle is broken and we get stopped out. We get stopped out. Then we have another bullish candle. So we have one stop loss and then we have a bearish candle we sell and second stop loss. So once you have two stop losses, then there is a bullish candle on 15 minutes. We transfer ourselves on 15 minutes. According to 15 minutes chart, we have a bullish candle and we have a buys. Right? Once you have two stop losses, you go to 15 minutes chart and take one more chance. I'm not saying you're going to be right 100% of the time. You're going to have winning days, you're going to have losing days. Okay? So if you are still watching this video, I'm going to give you one more pro tip. The pro tip is 9:30 a.m. is very important time frame to take trades on. 9:30 a.m. After 9:30 a.m. it's very important because stock market is opened. You can do this at 7 a.m. open because New York is starting. New York kill zone is starting. Bullish candle, high of this bullish candle and buy. It did not go to 1:2. Then we have a bearish candle. Low of this bearish candle is formed. We have 1:2. You can see that. We have seen it. We have 1:2. Easily 1:2. Right? And you can do this at 2 a.m. Bearish candle, low of the bearish candle, right? Low of the bearish candle, we are selling it and we get stopped out. We have a bullish candle, high of the bullish candle is broken and we are buying. Stop loss goes over here. You can adjust it. 7 a.m. we have a bullish candle, buy, hold, get stopped out, bearish candle, sell. It did not go take a stop loss and market gave us 1:2. Right? Over here, 2 a.m. open candle is bearish, sell below the lows, we have 1:2. Right? So when you increase the number of trades, the probability of getting stopped also increases. If you are okay with that, you can start implementing it on 7 a.m. open and 2:30 a.m. open also. Okay. So hope you guys have learned something from this video, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends.